Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with my planner for the week of Monday, April 28th through Sunday, May 5th. And I used something new. I didn't do a haul on this because I only bought this. This was off Amazon and it's 2 rows of vintage floral and butterfly style washi. It came in this beautiful box. Um, so yeah, oops, I'm losing one down here, trying to slip away from me. Let me tell you, they were packed in here tight. And it ranges in sizes on both sets of rolls from real skinny to very wide. Like this is one roll of washi. So I got that off Amazon. And I had one other personal item on that order, and that was it. So I didn't share it with anyone yet, except here. And then the sticker books I used are just the top two. These were from Hobby Lobby, 40% off Paper Studio. I used a few out of this one and a few out of this pressed floral sticker pack. So that's what I used for stickers. And the week is going to be busy. Uh, Basically, today I have a doctor's appointment in the morning around 9, but it takes about an hour to get there. So my whole morning is pretty much shot, and I just have to stop for some fresh veggies on the way home, veggies and some fruits. I've been eating a lot more salads and fresh vegetables and things like that lately, and trying to do meat, vegetable, and some berries and stuff like that, fruit, um, to help my health get better. And I have walk late AM if home from doctor in time, but it is supposed to be 87 degrees Fahrenheit today, and it was 80 yesterday, which is bordering on too hot for me, but I did manage to get out yesterday and clean my enclosed patio. Well, I say clean, vacuum the windowsills, which are full of yuck, and at some point I have to go back out with a bucket of cleaning solution and water and really scrub the windowsills and the tables out there and things like that. So anyway, I made progress. Yesterday was, and I cleaned inside the house as well, vacuuming and stuff like that. So I did do that, but I didn't get a walk in yesterday because I was doing all that. And plus my son did a few things, fix it kind of things, and he was supposed to power wash the house yesterday, but he didn't because the hose is broken, and he's going to buy a new hose for us, but he didn't do that yet either. So anyway, he says next weekend, but I just checked and next weekend looks like rain on both days now. So we'll see. I don't know. We borrowed my son-in-law's pressure washer. So the only video today is the planner. I do want to take a walk, and then I have to make Stash Builder collab cards for a video on Friday. I have a lot going on for Friday. Tuesday, of course, is hashtag altered index. Once I get the prompts, I also want to take a walk then. And I have to make my hashtag craft your stash project for Friday. Um, that one's hosted by Lilo Crafts and Not Too Shabby Chic. Wednesday is my small payday. It's also May Day, and it's also my nephew's birthday. So I actually need to get him a card out on today sometime. Anyway, so a little bit cooler on Tuesday, 83 Fahrenheit, a little bit cooler yet, 79, which is still pretty warm here. But we're in end of April, early May now, which is totally hard to believe. So Wednesday, May 1st, also Stampin' Up's new catalog goes live, and I have a wish list. I thought not as huge, but I need to whittle it down because I'm on a budget. We did last week. We ordered new storm door for my main entry and also the big patio. That door is a wreck, and so the salesperson came back out. They were out a couple years ago and I didn't do it. And of course, now the price is higher. So, ugh. But anyway, my son and I are splitting that cost, and we placed the order on, I think it was Wednesday, maybe Thursday. I forget. Anyway, I had to pay a few bills and update my budget worksheet with the bills that I paid, and also update April, finalize April. I keep an actual versus budget worksheet, and I reconcile it every month, so I have to do that. And I have to make the deck of the year for Thursday and record that video. Clean the litter, of course, try and get a walk in, and start on. Joined a new monthly collaboration with Crafting Shed Davies, who is Jane, and on the first Friday of every month, for 3 months, May, June, and July, we're going to craft with butterflies and birds. And I love that because I have a lot of butterfly and a lot of bird stuff, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I want to start on the project. I have a project in mind for that for Friday's video. And Thursday, if I get the deck of the year done on Wednesday and the video, I just have walk and finish the butterfly and birds projects and do that video for Friday. So if I do this when I'm supposed to, and the stash builder when I'm supposed to, and the um, project for Jane's channel, then I should have 3 videos this coming Friday, which is the first Friday in May. And hers is always the first Friday in May, is Crafting Shed Davies one is. Craft Your Stash is also first Friday, and the prompts for that are hummingbird and packaging. And a bonus is postage stamp. So I haven't, well, it's funny because I just did a hummingbird project, right, for get your hashtag get your craft on. I have more hummingbirds, don't worry. Maybe not paper, but I definitely have hummingbirds. And Friday, I have walk early AM. It's supposed to be 79, 78, 79. That might have changed. I did this in mostly pencil, except for some of these videos and things that I know. Actually, the ones in black might have been written in previously because I end up scratching out too much and stuff. So I need to be able to erase um, and make jewelry or do jewelry stuff on Friday. And Saturday, cloudy, maybe showers. Definitely, there's like a 35% chance. A little cooler, 70. I put walk any time of day, depending on the showers. Maybe even just up and down the street a few times, which is about a quarter mile back and forth. If I do all the way back and around the cul-de-sac and up. Anyway, and jewelry in the morning, and then house cleaning maintenance in the afternoon. I want to wipe down the kitchen cabinets and then just do routine cleaning. And I didn't check the temperature for Sunday. I think it's going to be similar to Saturday. Definitely it says rain expected. Also 35% chance, so we'll have to see. And this will leave open as my catch-up day, doing my planner, and I want to shred the papers. I had to put that in here because I keep staring at I'm actually, I might end up doing that in the evening up here. I'm not sure yet, but I put it on Sunday as a catch-up. And my top 3 is top 4, walk, keep eating well, get more sleep, which is really hard with this cat lately, and track my health numbers. Keep doing that. I've been doing good about that, and I need to keep doing that. Change is not made without inconvenience, is what is in here by Richard Hooker, and that is so true. Change is hard, and brings a lot of turmoil in people's lives initially, but sometimes change is just the little push we need to get us going again and get us in the right direction, right? So sometimes change is necessary. And, I always used to hear the saying, the only thing constant in life is change, right? So something like that. That's not the exact words. I don't have any notes. That's our book we're gonna do, and gratitude I will write in during the week sometime. So let me close my eyes and let's see. Oh gosh. Huh, I guess I could say I'm grateful for the letter H because it's my last name, right? But these are letters in marquee style. Uh, per the book. Grateful for marquee. Marquee? Am I saying that wrong? Marquees. I don't know. Marquees. Yeah, I spelled it right. Letters. Letter H for Hawk. Silly. I'll write a real gratitude sometime this week. And I forgot to put something on here. If I get, I don't want to put too much in here, but I have the paper pumpkin kit I need to do alternatives for. And, but I need to do the stuff for the video first. And I probably will do a load of laundry here. Do one load laundry of my own. My son did his on Saturday. I try to do mine during the week because I know he needs to do it on the weekend since that's when he's not working. So anyway, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful week and don't stress over getting everything done. I try to, but you'll see. I check things off. I circle things I didn't get done. I write other stuff in that I did get done instead. That kind of thing. But I am doing better on all of these, I think. Yeah, I think so. So that's all. Have a great week. I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.